Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So I'm going to show you how you can set your personal hotspot. So for that, go to setting, tap cellular data, and then turn this on, and then go back and then tap personal hotspot. From here, tap allow others to join, turn this on, and then set a Wi-Fi password. Set your hotspot password. So this is how you can set your personal hotspot. And if you want to turn your personal hotspot on, then you just simply scroll down your control center, and from here you just have to tap the personal hotspot button, and then anyone can join this. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye, see you in the next video.